Oh my God.
What?
What? What have we done? What have we done?
Take it easy.
Look, this time I was trying to do everything right.
Don't just become excited.
Oh my God, I thought if I had stayed away from City Hall, you know, I wouldn't have this bad luck that I keep having. Oh, not again.
You're just trying to make me feel guilty.
I'm marrying your brother.
All right. I'm guilty. I confess.
You're invited to the wedding. You know, oh my God, it's gonna happen in a few weeks. Why don't you just go with him to see your dying mother in Palermo? Huh?
She didn't like me.
Oh my God, nobody likes you.
And what did you do?
What did I do? What did I do?
You ruined my life.
No, that's impossible. You ruined my life. Your life was already ruined when I got here.
No, I didn't.
Oh yes you did. Okay? You've got those bad gypsy eyes, don't you? Yeah. Why didn't I see it yesterday? Just bad luck. I should have just taken a rock and just killed myself. Just hit myself in the head. I'm gonna marry him.
What?
You know what? Last night never happened. Yeah, it never happened. I'm gonna marry him anyway, and last night never happened. You and we're just gonna take this to our coffins.
No, I can't do that.
What? Why not?
Because I love you.
You love me. You love me? Really?
Ah!
Snap out of it.
I can't.
All right then. Hey, I must never see you again then, okay? The bad blood's just gonna remain between you and your brother for all times. And you're not coming to the wedding.
I'm coming to the wedding.
No, I'm telling you that you can't.
And he expects me to be there.
That's because he doesn't know.
All right. I will not come. Provided one thing.
What?
That you come with me to the opera once tonight.
What are you talking about?
Look, there's two things I love. You and the opera. If I can have both things together at once for one night, I'll be willing to give up the rest of my life.
All right. Okay, fine. All right.
Good. Hey, meet me at the mat.
All right, yeah. Where's the mat?